DIY Filipiniana costume really quick. So the things you'll need are a dress, any dress you want to make use of, textile that matches the color of your dress, petticoat. These come in different thickness, so the thicker the better. If you don't have petticoat, you can use cardboard. You'll also need a pair of scissors, garter, of course a sewing kit, and a candle. I'll explain why you'll need the candle sooner in this video. So let's get started. You cut your petticoat in this shape. You'll need two because you have two sleeves. You make sure it fits your arm and it's the right length you want it to be. So we fold this into two. So when we cut it, we will make two sleeves. You put your petticoat in this way and make sure there's at least 1 centimeter space here and 5 centimeter space here. So you fold your textile over your petticoat like this, more than half of it, and then you fold it here also. Make sure your petticoat is touching the edge. So you fold it here, and now we'll cut across. There, it's done. So we have to cut this one so we can make the two sleeves. Here are the two pieces of textile. So you place your textile like this. Make sure it's the front side, and then let it meet in the center. Now, you put your petticoat on top. There. You have to leave some space below. And so mark this edge because you are going to sew from this level until down. So I'm going to sew here and then down. I just did a quick running stitch here. You can double it if you want for this to be more durable. Now we're going to reverse this, since this is the right side. There. So I cut a hole just big enough for my arm to go through and to fit this hole here. But before I attach them together, I'm going to add some sequins so that the petticoat will stick to the textile. Now we don't need to sew the end of this part of the sleeve, we'll just burn it. See, we are done here. I already added the sequins. And see, we finished burning here. And the reason why we burnt it is so that this will not open. Now we will attach it here. So this is my dress, and we're going to attach the sleeve here by sewing it. So how is it, guys? I just need to do a little bit of ironing. Hi guys! Are you looking for a Philippine attire? Perhaps for Buwan ng Wika? This is my Philippine attire. It's actually the Gadang attire. As you can see, for the boys, they will have a cape and it's actually full of beads. For the girls, it is so complete. They have the headdress, they have the bracelet, they even have some necklaces, but I don't have any. So this costume was known for many of its beads. And if you look at my headdress, you can see there is a lot of beads up there. And note that these are all handmade. Even the dress, the skirt, the belt, they were all hand-woven. So you can see how they dance and more of how they wear their costumes in our other videos that you can check out in our channel. So as you can see, they are dancing like eagles. Aww, and I love this part where the cute ones will dance. It is so adorable. Honestly, I don't know how to dance it, but I am so curious on how to dance it because even the young ones can dance it. So you can simply remove the bracelet like this. There. And look at all those beads and how much effort they must have put in there. And you can also see there's a lot of buttons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye!
Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered how we the Igorots use the bahag or G-string? Well, when I first saw our fellow Igorot friends using the bahag or G-string, I was like, oh, that's cool! So I've learned how to use it. So the first thing you need to do is find the right side. The right side is the side where it's the right side is the prominent side. Compare this side to this side. The correct side is this side. So the next thing you need to do is position it like this, and find the right length for you, the more comfortable length. My most comfortable length is until my knee. Now I'm gonna ask my sister Helen to help me because I need to put the G-string or the bahag under me, and I have to twist it around. And I'll put the bahag or G-string under me like this. Okay, just like this. Come on now. But make sure you have to overlap this on this, just like this, so it will stay in its shape. Now we're going to fix this at the back part. See, how cool is that? Now this is the simplest way on how to use the G-string or bahag.